And it's finally here, my custom made LED app I developed with over 2 million colors and 30 different functions. Some of the functions I have are a variety of rainbows, USA themed, a juggle where the colors bounce back and forth, party which strobes different colors, and a police mode, while the customizable functions are different gradients, running lights, strobe, trail, and fading. Also, there are different speeds that the user can change. The speed can change the actual speed, and it can also determine how many splits there are in a strip. For example, if you want the colors red and blue to be alternating around your car, you can set the speed to 9 and it will alternate 18 different times around your car. What I'm showcasing here is different type of LED animations that you can customize. They're just in case you forget or you want to see what some look like. You can always click the button and it'll show you all of these examples, and it's not fully done yet, but I just wanted to have it out there just in case somebody wants to look at it or use it in the meantime. Before we get more into it, I want to show you guys my website niha.com, where you can learn more about all of my fun projects and get exclusive wiring diagrams and tips you need. This website has all of my projects on it that are related to coding or engineering that anyone can do. It also has links to all the components that I use for each video. So I also installed this in my cousin's Jeep as well, so I'll throw some of those clips in there. We installed it underneath the car, inside the car, and inside the Jeep grill. I didn't drill any holes in my car for this process. I just zip tied to any existing holes of the frame of the car. I used WS2812B lights that are waterproof along with the casing so it doesn't get wet anyway. I programmed the Arduino Nano and used the Bluetooth HM10 module to connect with my iPhone. And all of the other electronics are stored in the middle seat where my battery is. To power all the 5-volt products, I used a $10 converter that converts 12 volts to 5 volts with a maximum draw of 10 amps. There are 5 different channels you can use for the LEDs. So you can have one channel underneath the car, you can have one channel of LED strips in the inside, in the interior of the car, and you can have some for the grill or some for your headlights, it doesn't matter. You can have up to 5 different sets of LEDs that you can change differently, and you can also change them all at the same time and make them all do the same animation as well. Currently I'm working on Flash to the Beat right now. It's almost done. You can change the rhythm of the flash, you can change the color that it flashes, or if you want it to flash from green at the bottom to red on top to replicate like an equalizer or something, you can also do that. This only works for iPhones. I don't know if I'm going to do anything with Android yet because I stopped doing Android development, but we'll see. But yeah, that's all I have for you. I will be continuing to update this frequently, so feel free to leave any comments and suggestions. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. I work really hard to give you guys content that is straightforward and to the point. Thank you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.